Your angels are telling you that when it comes to carrying out your goal and purpose, you're exceptionally gifted. You can be confident that you already possess the ability to understand what it is, since God endowed you with the capacity for vision, intuition, and the ability to discern what the universe is trying to tell you. Your divine spirit guides are pleased with your commitment to this. Always keep a positive attitude and be upbeat as each day passes, since doing so will have a big impact on your life and bring more blessings and wealth. Right now, everything in your life is perfectly in alignment. Rest assured that everything will work out as it should, and that you will receive many unexpected blessings. Never forget to always begin by giving thanks to our all-powerful God for what you currently have in front of you. You must savor and value what you can see right now. Small steps will always help you get closer to your larger objectives and ambitions in life. Never worry about your future. Instead, focus on the immediate future by planning your life's next steps. If you take positive actions consistently, even if you're just getting started, it will become more meaningful and rewarding. Your divine messengers tell you to welcome these changes with an open mind and to have faith in yourself. Bring clarity to your inner darkness and rid yourself of any negative or constricting beliefs. Rediscover who you are, rely on your skills and intuition, and with the assistance of your angels, travel the road of divinity and spirituality.